guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL getting ready for a big one. We got OPC Platinum release day, all on-card autographs, lots of big rookies. Looking for some Bedard here at some point today. You're looking at an 8-box case, sealed case. We're doing 4 boxes right now. The other 4 boxes from this case will be done in our Pick Your Team break later tonight. Then we have some more OPC Platinum happening as well. But for right now, here's your teams. We're going to pop this open and roll a dice in a second. Ross, St. Louis, Ryan, Anaheim. Chris is Nashville, Ian, Minnesota, Andrew, Pittsburgh, Ian, Winnipeg, Marcus, Carolina, Jason, Buffalo, Tyler, Montreal, Mark, Edmonton, Harry, Dallas, Brian, Chicago, Justin, Detroit, Mitchell, Washington, Ross, Islanders, Roger, Vancouver, Mark, Toronto, Steven is the Rangers in Florida, Mark, Colorado, Andrew, San Jose, Chris, Arizona, Charlie, LA, Dave, Seattle, Kevin, Tampa Bay, David, Columbus, Tyler, Calgary. We got Ian, Boston, Mark, Vegas. Ian is Ottawa, Chris, Philly, and Ian is New Jersey. Get those 101 guesses in. We find a 101 golden treasures in this break, and you guessed it in the comments. Then you win $100 break credit. Let's get it going. I just got to find my dice. 1 sec. All right, we're good to go. Let's pop this bad boy open first. 8 boxes. This is my first look at it. Store's open in a half hour. Haven't popped open any. So this is the only break for today, but we got lots of breaks later tonight. Right, 1, 2, 3 on the dice roll will give us the left side of the case, and 4, 5, 6 on the dice roll will give us the right side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 it is. Left side coming at you. All right, so that's our case. And these 4 are going to be put away for later tonight. I will read off the numbers to you as always. 1, 6, 3, 2. 7336, just in case there's no big ones in this one, and maybe the case hits on the other side. Who knows? 7337 and 1634. All right, put those away. 4 boxes. OPC Platinum. Enjoy. OPC Platinum is one of those products you either love it or you hate it. But I gotta say, I've been digging it the last few years, loving the on-card autographs always. But they've been adding some nice new sets in the product too, which is cool to see. Those cosmic cards, big fan of the cosmic cards. I know they're. It's like a space background, kind of corny, but they look cool. Cool as hell. $12 packs. Let's do 2 at a time here. Enjoy the breaks, folks. Lots of it tonight happening. There is a Pick Your Team break that still has like half the teams full. They'll fill up later today, I'm sure. And we're going to have some more OPC Platinum posting as well. And lots in store. Bought a pack, bought a box. Let's do it. OPC Platinum. Early bird release break. Good early look at it. I see a whole bunch of base. Marquee rookie for Philly starting us off. Rookie for Blue Jackets. These will all be sleeved off camera. We got Levi, Buffalo, marquee rookie. Buffalo Sabres. Photo driven, Brent Burns, Carolina Hurricanes. Sebastian Aho, Carolina. Back to back, and Nick Swaney, marquee rookie, $3.99, liquid metal. Cool. Look a little bit different from last year, but $3.99, Minnesota Wild, first hit of the break, Nick Swaney. And again, all those cards I just put off camera, they'll be sleeved by the time you get them. All right, something red here. Red Prism. Based. Each pack's going to have pretty much the same layout. John Beecher. Marquee rookie Islanders, Dufour. Marquee rookie Boston. Brock Faber. Sweet selections, Minnesota Wild. Shane Pinto, Ottawa Senators. And back-to-back Ottawa, Tim Stützle with the red prism number to 199. We're looking for them on-card autographs, those low-numbered hits, seismic golds, emerald surges, golden treasures, all kinds of cool cards in this product. The lower the better. Kandata. Another one's orange checkers. Love orange checkers. Number 25. Very, very pullable. Like number 25s. Shouldn't be that hard to hit, but they sell for a nice penny. Orange checkers. Marquee rookie. Blue Jackets. Tompkins. Marquee rookie. Tampa Bay. Photo driven. Timo Meyer. New Jersey. Ovi. And first autograph of the break is going to Tristan Robbins. San Jose Sharks. Base rookie auto. San Jose's Andrew. Okay. Marquee rookie Florida. Columbus. Guinan. Showmanship. Marquee rookie. Marc-Andre Fleury. Showmanship. We got Kent Johnson. William Eklund. And, rookie autograph. 2-in-1 box. Number to 25. Seismic gold. Oof. Damn. I don't even have to say it, but that made my heart skip a little bit there. Right team, wrong rookie of the worst kind. Damn, imagine that card for Bedard. Holy moly. Nice hit, though. We'll take it. Number 25, Seismic Gold rookie autograph. Unreal. That's enough to wake you up in the morning. Let's keep it rolling. But that is 2 autographs out of 1 box, in case you're curious. I believe. Yep. I was like, unless I took from the other side by accident, but yep. Marquee rookie Tampa Bay. Marquee rookie Carlson. We got a marquee rookie for Washington. Seattle, photo-driven Matty B. Lucas Kandata is the Rainbow. And Fraser Minton. Toronto Maple Leafs. Sunset, marquee rookie. Seems like the centering's pretty good here so far. Nothing really hurting the eye. Marquee rookie San Jose, back-to-back. Rosen. We got Logan Cooley, sweet selections. Arizona. Rainbow. And Zuccarello. Sunset. Actually, I just said out loud that we're going to be doing the other side of this case for the pick your team. I kind of thinking to myself, maybe we should do a fresh case for the pick your team. That'd probably be better since they're the first 2 breaks posted. So before I get any further, I think I'm going to go ahead and just make that change. All right, pick your team. So this one came from a fresh case. The pick your team break will come from a fresh case as well. I think that's only fair. Those are the first 2 breaks posted. So the other side of these cases will be broke in different breaks. All right. Just giving you a heads up now before we get any further. Zach Benson, Riker Evans. We done that with the Cup last week, but the only reason we really did that with the Cup was because we kind of had a limited stock of it, as always with the Cup. PLD and Claude Giroux, Ottawa. I actually got one more case of the Cup in my possession ready to go. We're going to be breaking it on Friday, I believe, over the weekend sometime, but posting on Friday. And I got one more. I got my hands on another case, so we're going to do maybe another one sometime down the line. But anyway. We got a Violet Pixels coming up. Eriksson Ek. Marquee rookie Calgary. Philly. Here's Showmanship. Pittsburgh. Ginsel. Braden Shen. Sean Monahan. Are you kidding me? What is going on here? What is going on here? Number 99. That's 3 autographs. Same box, yeah? Sounds good to me. Chicago with another one. All I can keep thinking is, imagine if that was Bedard, but we'll take it, man. Close, but no cigar. I'm just kind of shocked at the layout here so far. Cole Gutman, McDonough, Livingstone. We got Peltier, Thomas Novak, and Cole Sillinger. Box 1 seems pretty eventful to me. Unless I'm missing something. That's a lot of autographs from one box. Gustin, Casper, Florida, back-to-back, Matty Tkachuk, Sebastian Aho, Rainbow, and Sorokin. I can tell you one person who is not going to be happy about OPC Platinum release day, and that would be the mailman. It's going to be a lot of hits to sort. He's going to be complaining, and I'm going to have to listen to him complaining. Base, Marquee Rookie, Sordif, Patera, Levi again, Sweet Selections, Fantilli, first appearance, and another liquid metal, Brad Marchand, 305. $3.99. Last pack, box 1. 3 autographs. 2 numbered of the same guy and 1 non-numbered autograph. Don't tell me we're going to hit another one. Nestorenko, Brock Faber, Brady Tkachuk, Logan Thompson, and Tyler Clevin. That's another red prism. So that was a very interesting layout of a box, I got to say. 2 red prisms, 2 liquid metals, and 3 autos. All right. Let's come back to that one. Here we go. Box 2. Violet Pixels. Baldock. Matty Nyes. Evangelista. Boston Bruins. McAvoy, Zach Benson, and Troy Terry. Violet Pixels, Anaheim Ducks, 252 at $2.99. These are in store. Store might be a couple minutes late opening because of the break, but we will have them on the store shelf. Buy the box, buy the pack, drop in, test your luck out. Tyler Clevin, Marquee Rookie, Washington, Minnesota, Edvidson, Mikko Rantanen, and UC Saros, Nashville Predators. That's the Cosmic, number to 65. Love those. So there's 2 breaks open right now for OPC Platinum. Pick your team style. There's like 12, 14, 15 teams left somewhere there. And there's also a $40 break. So 3 boxes of this stuff, $40. And that one has single digits left. Here's Connor Bedard. First sighting. Hopefully won't be the last today. Chicago. Delgazio. Kapanen. You got Montreal. Cole Caulfield. Edmonton. And another numbered card for the Ottawa Senators. Blue Fragment. That's a new one this year. Blue Fragment. 52 of 135. Yeah, should be a busy night. Be live for a few hours breaking this stuff. Okay, that's a different looking color in there. Tyson Forster. Kandata again. Soville. Zegers. Ovechkin. And we got autograph for the Colorado Avalanche, Ross Colton. No numbering on that one. Colorado it is. There wasn't even a name on that autograph. I was looking for usually the names on the back, but that one doesn't have a name on it. Marquee rookie, Blue Jackets, Stauber, Ridley Grigg, Leon Draisaitl, Sean Monahan, and Coronado, Matt Pink, Calgary Flames. Yeah, I gotta say the centering's not too bad from what I'm seeing. Cards look like they're in good shape, so we'll take that. A couple years ago for Caulfield's rookie year, man, the centering was so bad it was hard to look at. It was brutal. Oh, sorry, there we go. Marquee rookie McGing, Phillip, Sean Farrell, Sweet Selections, Grigg, Thompson, Noah Dobson. And again, guys, all these non-sleeve cards, they're going to be sleeved. Don't you worry. Just trying to save some time here for the store open. Before the store opens. We're almost halfway through. We got a Violet Pixels coming up. Luke Hughes, first appearance. Korchinski, the Heartbreaker. Damian Hunt. Jack Hughes, Kuznetsov, and we got a marquee rookie for Boston, Violet Pixels, 28, $2.99. All right, blue fragment. Ryan Shea, Cole McWard, marquee rookie Vancouver, Kadri, Wi-Fi, Ehlers, blue fragment, 125. All right, got to start remembering that one, new numbering. 4 left. So this is what your normal box of OPC Platinum looks like. 1 autograph for the most part, but we got 3 autographs last box. Kind of caught me off guard. First box of the day. I was like, what's going on? Dewar, Merlanian, Charvente, Crosby, Kapanen marquee, and Ludwig, Sunset marquee rookie. Boston, marquee rookie, Ibbotson, Rusick, Matthew Coronado, Sweet Selections, Tyson Forrester, and an Ekholm, Sunset. Another Sunset, whole bunch of Sunsets in this box. Marquee rookie, Calgary, Connor Zary, Fantilli, Ryan Johnson, Makar, Burkowski, and UC Saros. Last pack, box 2, a lot less eventful than the first box. First box was a hot box, I guess. Dustin Wolf, Minty Yukov, Durandu, Thomas Hurdle, Roman Yossi, and Nick Backstrom. So yeah, that's more what the OPG box usually looks like. A lot of number cards, rookies, 1 autograph. Here we go, box 3 and box 4. We're halfway there, folks. Appreciate you joining us for the early bird look. We're going to throw this one up on YouTube so all the collectors out there can get a good look at the product before they decide if they want to buy it or not, or jump into a break or whatever. But if you are interested in a box or jumping in a break, check out the information in the comments or in the description down bottom. And join the group if you're not part of the group. That's where all the action happens. Nightly breaks, lots of giveaways. Shameless plug. All right, here we go. 2 boxes remaining. We're back at it this evening. We got a $20 Tuesday break to finish up from yesterday that never quite materialized, and then a whole bunch of OPG Platinum tonight. Bobby McMahon, Jackson Lacombe, marquee rookie Edmonton, Tyson Forster, Sweet Selections, Dustin Wolf, Svechnikov, Liquid Metal. Arctic Freeze, I think, coming up. First look at that one. John Gruden, Nemec, Hunter Shepard, Ovi, Nathan McKinnon, and Linus Olmark. That is the Arctic Freeze, number 99. All right. Not sure I like the look of it this year. Really liked it the last couple of years, but it looks a little bit different. I'm undecided. Kesselring. Sorry, I went too far. Marquee rookie Kesselring. Seattle. LA. Fantilli. Sweet Selections. Islanders. Caden Gooley. Violet Pixels. $2.99. I did mention at the start of the video that the other side of this case was going to be for our Pick Your Team break tonight, but we're going to do fresh case. I figured that that's probably the fairest way to do it. I kind of got caught up because the cup last week, we had to do that. But this week, we got lots of OPC Platinum here, so don't really have to make sure that the other side of this case is done right away. Logan Cooley. So yeah, Pick Your Team break later tonight will be a new case, fresh case mojo. Hunter McGowan. Vancouver, we got Stutzel, Cardi, and Vancouver. Rookie autograph, Vancouver it is. It's Roger. Now, let's finish off with a nice low number card here from one of these packs. Give me an Emerald Surge. Give me a Orange Checkers, something like that. William Dufour, Boston, Kellerman, Matthews, nice Rainbow, Bedard, Marquee Rookie, and a Sunset, Tampa Bay Lightning. Nice card, Rainbow, Marquee Rookie, Bedard. There's some more Bedard kicking around here at some point today. Where and when, I'm not sure. Askarov, Peltier, Florida, Askarov, Delgazio, Erik Karlsson. Put an auto on that. I'll auto that for you. I'm not going to try to fake his auto, though. I'll just put mine on it. Blue Jackets, Philly, Edmonton, Hellebuck, Seth Jones, and Laffy. Ty Emberson, Wyatt Kaiser, man, Chicago has so many rookies. Lunel, Clayton Keller, Ryan Reeves, Tyler Angle, Matt Pink, Marquee Rookie. All right, we're close to finishing. We're close to the store opening. If you are popping in store today, be my guest. I'm here until 6. Doors open in about 10 minutes. It'll be OPC Platinum all day. Matt Murray, keep an eye on the group for some nice in-store pulls. I got a feeling this is going to be pretty popular by the pack. It is quite pricey by the box, but it is going to be popular by the pack. Jason Robertson and Noah Dobson. I think it'll be popular by the box too, but not everybody's going to be dropping all those bills on the box. I understand. Marquee Rookie, Ottawa, Calgary, David Gust, Evangelista, nice Fantilli Rookie, and Shane Wright. 2 packs left, second last box. We got a bunch of mail going out either today or tomorrow as well. The last, I don't know, last week's worth of breaks or so. The cup's already gone. Tyler Angle, Kulich, Matthew Kessel, Tage Thompson, Askarov, and a Marquee Rookie for Tampa Bay, $3.99 liquid metal. Drop by, check out the breaks tonight, though. Should be fun. We got some baseball on TV, got some preseason hockey on. Man, oh man, we're almost back. Hockey and basketball almost back. Patiently waiting. Tampa Bay, Ludwig, Minton, Patrick Laine, Merlanian, Braden Point, Red Prism. We're on to the last box. Kessel, Malera, Ludwig, Adrian Kempe, Forsberg, and Shane Wright. Last call, folks. We're getting down there. Minton, Bobby McMahon, Jackson Lacombe, Alex Ovechkin, Shane Pinto, Drake Batherson. All right, liquid metal coming up here. Edmonton, Pittsburgh, New Jersey. We got Marco Kasper, Michael Bunting, and Sebastian Aho. Liquid metal. Okay, Violet Pixels. Hunter Shepard, Kesselring, Carty, Crosby, Sean Farrell, Jacob Markstrom. Calgary Flames. Anybody see Markstrom's new helmet? I'm pretty slick. New Devils helmet. All right, another red prism. Give me something low numbered here. We've seen the red prisms. We've seen the violet pixels, the liquid metals. LaFerriere, Logan Cooley, Hunter McGowan, Olmark, Ginther, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Red prism again. Anybody check out the new Vince McMahon documentary on Netflix yet? It's pretty deadly. I watched the first 2 episodes way too early this morning. Markey Rookie, Emberson, Wyatt Kaiser, Connor Hellebuck, Tompkins, and Bobby McMahon. Yep, I was up with the baby way too early this morning. I rocked two episodes of the Vince McMahon documentary, and it was awesome. Brought back some memories. We're running out of chances, folks. 6 packs left, half a box. Let's get it. Drop back and see us later tonight, though. We'll be busy breaking this new product. Some are already full, some are half full, some aren't even posted yet. Leo Carlson and Evgeny Malkin. Come on with it. Savoy, Ottawa, Coronado, Matthew Nyes, Sweet Selections, Mo Sider, Sergei Bobrovsky. David Gust, Tyler Angle, Kulich, Tage Thompson, JJ, and marquee rookie Matt Pink, Ottawa Senators. We're legit running out of chances. 3 packs left, folks. Okay, we got a blue. I'm just going to put that away for now. Might be the last numbered card of the box. I'm not really sure, but... Ooh, nice. All right, boys. We got orange checkers there. Let's go. That could be a nice one. And we got a red here, too. All right, let's go. Whoa. Autograph. Florida Panthers. Didn't even see that one there. Rookie autograph, Florida Panthers. Samo Skilovich. Nailed it. Got Rusick, Connor Zary, Adam Fantilli, Draisaitl, Jack Hughes, and Marco Kasper. A nice looking card. Something tells me that's a short print card. Premier rookie, OPC Platinum Premier rookie, Detroit Red Wings. All right. We'll take that. We'll take the autograph. And we got 2 number cards to finish up the box and the break, guys. Let's go. Blue Fragment. Oops, got to be careful with that one. Blue Fragment, number 125. And orange checkers coming up. Orange checkers, one of my favorite sets in this stuff. Vancouver, Calgary, Ottawa, Makar, nice, Bedard, and Jet Greaves. Last chance, and it is orange checkers. Let's get it going. Give me that goal horn. What you think? What you think? Gervonta. Marquee rookie, Boston. Detroit. Luke Hughes, sweet selections. We got Philly. And last card in the break is the orange checkers, number 225 for Boston Bruins, Pavel Zaschka. Gorgeous looking card. Maybe not the player we're looking for, but Boston Bruins, nice hit. That's Ian. Guys, that is it for the break. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Good little look at the OPC Platinum. Nothing huge, but you can definitely see that there's a lot of potential there. You just got to hit the right low number cards for the right players. That's it for now. We had autograph per box. We had the first box of the break had 3 autographs. Caught me off guard big time, so don't get used to that one. That's it for now. Enjoy the release day. We'll see you this afternoon, or we'll see you this evening and tonight for some more breaks. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.